In the heart of Sonora, Mexico, one of the world's premier gold and silver mining jurisdictions, Tocvan Ventures is advancing one of the most compelling near-term production stories in the junior mining sector today. Trading on the Canadian Securities Exchange under the symbol TOC, Germany and the United States. Tocvan represents a tightly held opportunity in a region that has produced some of Mexico's largest gold deposits. The Gran Pilar Advantage. Our flagship Gran Pilar Gold-Silver Project is located just 130 kilometers southeast of Hermosillo, Sonora's capital. What makes Gran Pilar exceptional is not just its location, but what we're finding beneath the surface. These are near-surface oxide mineralization results, the type of geology that translates into low-cost, heap leach operations with rapid payback potential. Fully permitted in drilling now, Tocvan is actively drilling at Gran Pilar and will remain actively drilling throughout the coming months. The drill is turning at the North Alteration Zone, and the first results are already pending. The company holds comprehensive permits that position it for aggressive exploration and development, including 45 drill pads for over 30,000 meters of drilling and 67 trenches authorized for systematic channel sampling and structural analysis. This extensive permitting package provides Tocvan with the flexibility to rapidly expand known mineralization and make new discoveries across the vast Gran Pilar district, an area that has seen remarkably little systematic modern exploration, despite its proximity to world-class deposits. Pilot mine facility, fast-tracking production. In August 2025, Tocvan secured a critical milestone: full permit approval for a 10-year pilot mine facility at Gran Pilar. This is not a distant development goal, this is a near-term production catalyst. The pilot mine facility specifications allow for a 50,000-ton capacity heap leach pad over a 4.5-hectare infrastructure layout with a hydrometallurgical processing facility. Tocvan's operational targets reflect 50,000 tons of material at 1.2 grams per ton gold, with 70% recovery designed to test and optimize extraction methods while generating early cash flow potential. The pilot facility will process material from high-grade zones identified through our successful sampling and drilling campaigns. This represents a strategic approach: prove the economics at pilot scale, generate revenue, and use those funds to further expand the resource. Independent metallurgical testing has demonstrated exceptional recovery rates. Agitated leach tests achieved 80% gold and 94% silver recovery in just 24 hours. Gravity recovery with agitated leach achieved 95 to 99% gold recovery and 73 to 97% silver recovery, and the 2023 heap leach bulk sample achieved 62% gold recovery over 46 days, with head grades of 1.9 grams per ton gold and 7 grams per ton silver. Importantly, the testing confirmed that increased irrigation flow rate significantly improves recovery, a straightforward operational optimization. These recovery rates match or exceed those of operating regional mines, de-risking the project's path to production. Maiden resource estimate, 2026 catalyst. Tocvan is targeting delivery of an NI 43-101 compliant maiden resource estimate at Gran Pilar within 2026. This represents a transformational catalyst that will establish the initial resource base for the main zone and high-grade corridors, provide the foundation for economic studies and mine planning, position Gran Pilar for potential large-scale mining applications, and most importantly, create a significant valuation inflection point for shareholders. The resource estimate will incorporate data from over 30,000 meters of drilling completed to date, along with ongoing programs targeting both infill drilling at the main zone and step-out drilling across the 100% controlled expansion areas. Following the maiden resource, Tocvan will advance toward full-scale mining permit applications, leveraging the proven metallurgy, near-surface mineralization, and favorable infrastructure to build a compelling economic case. Mexico's pro-mining transformation. For investors who have watched Mexico's mining sector with caution in recent years, 2025 marks a dramatic turning point. At the 36th International Mining Convention in Acapulco in November 2025, Mexico's Secretary of Economy, Marcelo Ebrard Casalbon, announced that the country will fast-track mining exploration and restart large-scale activities in 2026. This is not rhetoric. This is policy in action. Key government commitments include expediting pending environmental permits that have created multi-year backlogs, shortening processing times to facilitate new investment, normalizing the permit backlog by mid-2026, working closely with the mining chamber on water, regulations, and permitting improvements, recognizing mining as essential to supply chain security and national competitiveness. Secretary Ebrard celebrated that after years of stagnation, the first 3 environmental permits for the mining industry have been approved, signaling a fundamental shift in government approach. For Tocvan, operating in Sonora, Mexico's most established and mining-friendly state, this policy environment provides exceptional timing. Our permits are in place, our drilling is underway, and we are positioned to capitalize on a jurisdiction that is actively seeking to support and accelerate mining development. Sonora, world-class infrastructure and costs. Location matters in mining, and Sonora is unrivaled for junior developers seeking to advance projects efficiently and economically. Sonora's advantages include established mining culture with a skilled workforce and deep technical expertise, excellent infrastructure, competitive operating costs, proven geology and nearby major operations. This infrastructure and cost advantage translates directly into higher margins and faster development timelines. Critical factors that differentiate Gran Pilar from projects in more remote or challenging jurisdictions. Expansion potential, district scale opportunity. While Gran Pilar's main zone provides the foundation for near-term resource definition, Tocvan controls over 21 square kilometers of highly prospective ground, a district-scale land package that has seen remarkably little modern exploration. Recent drone magnetic surveys and detailed geological mapping have identified multiple high-priority targets that have never been drill tested. With over 30,000 meters of drilling permitted, Tocvan has the flexibility to systematically test these targets while advancing the main zone toward resource definition. This is not a single deposit story. This is a district play with the potential for multiple discoveries that could significantly expand the overall resource base. Strategic positioning and timing. Tocvan Ventures is executing a differentiated strategy in the junior mining sector. 1. Prove economics first. Rather than pursuing an aggressive drilling campaign without understanding project economics, Tocvan has prioritized metallurgical testing and pilot mine development. This de-risks the project and provides clarity on costs, recoveries, and potential margins. 2. Generate near-term cash flow. The 50,000-ton pilot facility is designed to generate revenue while optimizing the mining and processing approach. This reduces dilution and provides internal funding for continued exploration. 3. Target resource growth. With comprehensive permits in place and systematic exploration across the 21 square kilometer land package, Tocvan is positioned to grow the resource base substantially beyond the initial estimate. 4. Capitalize on market timing. Gold prices at record highs above $4,000 per ounce, Mexico's pro-mining policy shift creating favorable permitting environment, and junior mining sector valuations still recovering, providing significant upside potential. Management and technical expertise. Tocvan's success is driven by a proven management team with deep experience in Mexico and resource development. Brody A. Sutherland, PGO, CEO, a mineral exploration geologist with over 16 years of experience across more than 20 countries. Mr. Sutherland has been instrumental in building a local team of experts in Sonora and has guided Tocvan from early-stage exploration to the cusp of production. Rodrigo Calles Montijo, Director. With 35-plus years of geological experience, including work with Rio Tinto, Mr. Calles Montijo brings international expertise and has been integral to operational success at Gran Pilar. Luis Manuel Arroyo Dominguez, Director. A mine engineer with over 50 years of experience in Mexico, Mr. Arroyo brings critical expertise in taking projects from exploration through to production, essential as Tocvan advances toward mining. This combination of international geological expertise and deep Mexican operational knowledge positions Tocvan to navigate permitting, community relations, and project development efficiently. Tocvan Ventures stands at a pivotal moment. With active drilling expanding known mineralization and testing new targets, a fully permitted pilot mine facility advancing toward production, and a maiden resource estimate targeted for 2026, the company is executing on multiple fronts simultaneously. Mexico's dramatic policy shift towards supporting mining exploration and development provides exceptional timing for permitted projects in established mining districts. Sonora's infrastructure, skilled workforce, and proven geology offer cost advantages that translate directly into economic viability. For investors seeking exposure to a near-term gold-silver producer in a world-class jurisdiction, with significant exploration upside and multiple value creation catalysts ahead, Tocvan Ventures deserves close attention. As gold prices remain at historic highs and Mexico opens its doors to mining investment, Tocvan is positioned to deliver shareholder value through systematic exploration, near-term production, and resource growth at Gran Pilar. The time to watch Tocvan is now.